At the heart of Kuala Lumpur, surrounded by lush gardens, stands the National Mosque of Malaysia, or Masjid Negara, a bold architectural statement of faith, unity, and independence. With its iconic 73-meter-high minaret and a unique 16-point star-shaped roof, this mosque embodies Malaysia's aspirations as a newly independent nation in the 1960s. Let's explore its fascinating history, modern design, and enduring significance. Malaysia gained its independence from British rule on the 31st of August 1957, and with it came a vision to symbolize this newfound freedom. On 30th of July 1957, the idea of a national mosque was proposed during a Federal Executive Council meeting. The vision, to create a structure that represented Malaysia's peaceful transition to independence, a symbol of unity, progress, and gratitude. Completed in 1965, Masjid Negara was a collaborative effort led by British architect Howard Ashley and Malaysians Iqmal Hisham al-Bakri and Baharuddin Qasim. Together, they designed a mosque that broke away from traditional dome structures, embracing modernism while preserving Islamic traditions. The result was nothing short of revolutionary. The National Mosque's design is bold, innovative, and deeply symbolic. The main roof, resembling an open umbrella, reflects Malaysia's tropical identity and serves as a symbol of protection and unity. The minaret, shaped like a folded umbrella, complements this theme while standing tall as a beacon of faith. The roof's 16 points represent the 13 states of Malaysia and the 5 pillars of Islam. This creative use of geometry, paired with reinforced concrete, allowed the architects to achieve the large spans required for the main prayer hall. Today, it's a masterpiece of modern Islamic architecture, seamlessly blending tradition with innovation. Step inside the main prayer hall, and you're greeted by a vast, tranquil space capable of accommodating 15,000 worshippers. The walls and ceilings feature intricate Islamic calligraphy and ornamentation, while the reflecting pools and fountains throughout the mosque compound add an element of serenity. The use of light and space in the mosque creates an atmosphere of peace and introspection, making it more than just a place of worship. It's a retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. The National Mosque was built on the former site of the Venning Road Brethren Gospel Hall, which was acquired by the government in 1961. The church was relocated to Jalan Imbi and still exists today as the Jalan Imbi Chapel. This respectful transition underscores the harmonious spirit of Malaysia's multicultural society. While the mosque's original roof was a soft pink, renovations in 1987 gave it the now famous green and blue tiles, ensuring it stands sleek and stylish against the Kuala Lumpur skyline. It underwent further modernization for its 50th anniversary in 2015, cementing its place as a national icon. Adjacent to the mosque lies the Makam Pahlawan, or Heroes Mausoleum, a burial ground for several prominent Malaysian Muslim leaders. Covered by a unique 7-pointed star roof, this structure pays tribute to those who shaped Malaysia's history and upheld its values. Masjid Negara is more than just a mosque. It's a symbol of unity and progress. It represents Malaysia's journey from colonial rule to a vibrant independent nation. Its bold design continues to inspire architects and visitors alike, standing as a reminder that faith and modernity can coexist beautifully. With its distinctive design, serene gardens, and rich history, Masjid Negara isn't just an architectural marvel. It's a beacon of hope, faith, and unity for all who visit. From its bold umbrella roof to its tranquil gardens, the National Mosque of Malaysia remains a stunning testament to the spirit of a nation. It's a place where history, faith, and modernity converge, a must-visit for anyone exploring Kuala Lumpur. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and beauty of Masjid Negara. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help us explore more incredible stories. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.